Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ella and welcome to my channel where I make tech related videos. So normally I focus on everyday tech devices like phones, laptops, etc. However, as someone who makes YouTube videos, I actually use a lot of tech devices that most people who don't make videos online probably wouldn't use. And today I'm going to talk about such device. So in addition to using a camera to film my videos, I actually also use a microphone. And up to this point, I've been using an onboard shotgun microphone that straps right on top of my camera. This one in particular is the Boya MM1. It is actually a pretty quality, budget-friendly shotgun microphone that I found on Amazon. By the way, the majority of the audio for this video will be recorded using my shotgun microphone. However, I recently started wanting to improve my audio quality, so that's why I started to look into USB condenser microphones. And actually around the same time, the company FIFINE contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their microphones, the K678 in particular. And I was like, wow, this is perfect timing, sure. So FIFINE sent this microphone over to me for free. However, this video is not sponsored by them. I will give you a 100% honest review of this microphone. Specifically, I will test it in the sense of making YouTube videos because this is what I do and also what I'm most familiar with. However, even if you're interested in this microphone in terms of podcasting or streaming, still stick around because I will be including audio samples in this video, so you might still find some useful information. Alright, so I received this little box and on the inside came the microphone, obviously, along with a stand, also a USB-A to mini USB cable for connecting this microphone to my computer, along with a 5/8" male to 3/8" female adapter for attaching this mic to an arm stand. Okay, so now some features of this microphone. Well, first of all, it has a cardioid polar pattern, and on the front of the microphone, so the part of the microphone that should face me, the speaker, or any other sound source, there is a mute button. Green means it is not muted and red means that it is muted. And on the back of the microphone, there is a gain knob along with a headphone volume knob. Okay, so setting up this mic was super simple. All I had to do was use the USB cable to plug this mic into my computer. I can actually also monitor my voice in real time because there is a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom of this microphone. However, I don't really think it's super necessary for me when I'm recording videos, so I decided not to do that. I also got a pop filter, which I definitely highly recommend. This one is a super basic and inexpensive one that I found on Amazon. By the way, I will leave links to this microphone and this pop filter down below in my description in case you are interested. But yeah, anyways, so a pop filter really helps to reduce plosive sounds, like those heard when you pronounce letters P and B. And here is a quick audio sample from this microphone with and without the pop filter, so you can hear for yourself the difference. Let's play a game of ping pong. The puppet has glasses. Please boil some water in the teapot. Let's play a game of ping pong. The puppet has glasses. Please boil some water in the teapot. Now I'm going to start with some very basic audio tests. First, I'm going to test the microphone's gain and noise rejection ability. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so that was the gain demonstration. Now I'm going to set my microphone at one specific gain. After doing some tests with this microphone, I found that around 60% is an ideal place to set the gain. So that is what I'm going to set my microphone gain to for the rest of this video. But anyways, so now I'm going to test the microphone's noise rejection ability. So since this microphone has a cardioid pickup pattern, it shouldn't pick up a lot of noise from behind it. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, Okay, and now let's move on to some more interesting tests. I want to test this microphone under different use scenarios that are all related to the context of making YouTube videos. Okay, so for the very first test, I'm going to place the microphone directly in front of me at a pretty close distance. You can see for yourself the exact positioning of the microphone, and you'll probably use this mic in this position when you're just talking to the camera like I am doing right now, and you don't mind having the microphone in the shot. You'll also probably use the microphone like this when you're recording a voiceover. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin, saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Loves the game. Wanna play? Okay, so you probably noticed that during that test, I kept my head super still. However, normally when I'm filming videos, my head doesn't just stay in one position the entire time. I am not a robot and my head does move when I speak. So for the second test, I'm going to put it in a more realistic scenario. So I'm going to keep the microphone where it currently is, but this time I'm going to move my head naturally when I talk. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Loves a game. Wanna play? Alright, so for the third test, I'm going to place this microphone a little farther away from me. Again, you can see for yourself the exact positioning of the microphone, and you'll probably use this microphone in this kind of position when you're just talking to the camera, but you don't want to have the microphone in the shot. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Loves the game. Wanna play? Now for the fourth test, again, I'm just going to keep the microphone where it currently is. However, this time I am going to move my head naturally when I talk. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I was like, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Loves the game. Wanna play? Overall, I would say the sound quality is pretty good. My voice sounds very clear. It does not sound too sharp or too hollow. I definitely noticed that my voice sounded louder and clearer when I recorded with the microphone closer to me and in frame compared to when it was farther away from me and out of frame. And in general, it is true that for these USB mics, the sound quality is the best when it is close to the sound source. Now, I personally don't mind having the microphone in the shot, so for me in the future while I record videos, I think I will be putting it close to me and in the frame, and this way I know that I am getting the best quality sound. Okay, and one last note about this microphone is that it is not extremely sensitive to the direction of the sound source, which is good. As I naturally move my head while speaking, there really was no dramatic difference that you could hear in the voice recording. Alright, and now let's talk about this microphone's noise rejection ability. So I would say it is not too great. When I was typing on the keyboard behind the microphone, you could definitely hear the keyboard sounds. However, when I was speaking and typing at the same time, you could hear both sounds, but my voice definitely sounded a lot louder than the keyboard sounds. So it's not super good at rejecting noise, and I would suggest when using this microphone, it is best not to touch it or anything around it because this microphone probably will pick up those sounds. And lastly, let's talk about the background noise / white noise. Now, I did record everything in a very quiet space, though there really is not much background noise. However, the white noise was also very, very minimal, which is really good because I really don't like the sound of white noise. Alright, so a USB condenser microphone is really only ideal if you use it close up. The sound quality significantly decreases as you move it farther away. And to show you guys, I'm going to place my microphone all the way here, and you can hear for yourself the sound quality when it is that far away. Nice to meet you, where you've been. I could show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Now, an onboard camera microphone, one that you strap onto your camera, is actually quite similar to a USB condenser mic. The sound quality also significantly decreases as the shotgun microphone moves farther and farther away from the sound source. And the thing is, with a shotgun microphone, because it is strapped onto your camera, it has to go wherever your camera goes. However, with a USB microphone, you can always keep it close to you no matter where your camera is. So with a USB microphone, microphone, you can have a lot of flexibility in where you want to place your camera without needing to sacrifice the sound quality. And actually, this was the exact reason why I started looking into USB condenser microphones. Okay, so then what is the final verdict on this microphone? Well, I will be keeping this microphone and using it from now on to record my audio. Now, before FIFINE contacted me, I was actually looking into getting the Blue Yeti, which is one of the most popular USB microphones out there. However, now after watching some videos comparing the sound quality of this microphone to the Blue Yeti, I've concluded that the Blue Yeti really isn't significantly better than the microphone, so I am happy to just stick with this microphone. Also, this microphone is like half the cost of the Blue Yeti, so if you are looking for a USB microphone, then I definitely recommend checking this one out, and also maybe check out some comparison videos of this microphone against some other popular USB microphones so that you can hear for yourself the sound quality of this compared to like the really popular ones. And again, the links to this microphone and the pop filter that I have will be down below in the description. So that is going to be it for this microphone review video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you like this video, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to continue to support me and my tech content, then be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, I will be back soon with more tech related videos, so I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Bye!